Great save by Bonga to keep that thing alive.
Reeves for the answer from the wing.
Now, they didn't communicate, Germany, on the defensive end. Nice quick pass to Reeves.
Austin Reeves, 14 points in 12 minutes.
This has been a tough little... The dribble exchange has been so effective. Dribble handoff and a giveaway.
He stepped out of bounds.
Ooh, what a break here for Edwards. There's that dive to the rim. Step back.
Watch Bonga.
Yeah, that's a great effort. Getting right in position. Oh, a lot of wood to cover to get out there.
Would you have guessed that Germany would be plus 11 second chance points?
Well, again, because of their deployment, there's a lot of running for rebounds as well. Sprint. Nobody clogging up that middle.
They're plus 12 on the boards, 40-28 Germany.
Well, Steve talked about it to the media, rebounding and correcting turnovers.
This is Edwards over Tyson. A big shot for Anthony Edwards.
What a winner this kid is. Let the world know he's coming along that next level of stardom.
A football player at heart. His brother turned to basketball and got him into the sport, and thankfully for all of us, he did.
A tough match right here. Schroeder with Jackson. They got a little nickel dimer on Reeves, I think.
Reeves is like, what am I supposed to do to displace Tice?
Tice imposes his body, no question about it.
That was the arm bar, I guess. Just 5 total fouls here in the second half. Remember, the bonus gets activated at 5 per team with 2 free throws. Obst is in, running off the screen. He's met by Reeves in the corner.
You got to make him put it on the floor. Catch and shoot.
Now Schroeder back in for the first time in the fourth quarter, and he gets blocked by Jackson.
Yeah, nice job. Had to give ground.
Edwards for the tie. Oh, yes.
What amazing performance. Who said he had a bad ankle? This is a response beyond the Call of Duty. In, out. Magnificent performance.